Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to report issues with your Afterpay order. Now, to report issues with your Afterpay order, all you got to do is reach out to the merchants directly to report any issues with your order. You can usually find their contact information on the Afterpay order confirmation email, or you can get that on the merchant's website. And now you just provide the merchant with your order details, including the order number, to help them assist you with your issue. And you need to clearly explain the issue that you're experiencing with your order. It could be damaged or defective item. It could be a missing item, incorrect item, or delayed shipping. You just got to explain that clearly, and request assistance from the merchants to resolve the issue. Now, to contact Afterpay support, you can just visit the Afterpay website and click on help or contact us, and then just submit a request to Afterpay support team, providing your order details and a clear explanation of the issue. And you can call Afterpay support team directly to report the issue and receive assistance. Now, you're gonna need to provide additional information when going through with this process. You're gonna need order number, so you need to provide your order number to help Afterpay support team to locate your order. You're also going to need a photo or video, so you're going to need to provide a photo or video of the issue if applicable. That's if you have damaged items and stuff, you can just take a picture or make a video recording to prove that. And you're also going to need tracking information, so you need to provide tracking information if applicable. For instance, if you have delayed shipping, you're going to need to provide that so they can help you track the order. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to report issues with your Afterpay order. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.